Greetings, my lovable weirdos. I have no explanation for why I'm wearing a hat today. I just felt like I should be wearing a hat for this video because it felt like really empty and blank without a hat. I don't know. Today is another unpackaging video because I got this. It doesn't even fit in the screen. These huge delivery from Killstar. Actually I got it about 2 weeks ago, but I just did not have the time to sit down and film an unboxing or unpackaging video, and I kind of want to do that with you guys because I got quite a few things. So Killstar had a sale. Like, Killstar always has sales going on, but Killstar, for this particular haul, they had a sale over Valentine's. That's how long ago I bought this. If you watched my first Killstar haul video ages ago, like back last year, I think around this time last year maybe, I don't know, those heels that I unboxed from that haul are still my favorite pair of heels. They're like 6 inches high, ridiculous platform heels, but they're so comfy. And I told myself I don't need another pair of heels, even though the Killstar heels are really super comfy. So this time around, I got a new swimsuit because I need one of those. I got 2 bras. I got a pair of tights, a pair of long socks, and a long like cardigan duster jacket thing that I'm kind of really excited to try on. So that's what we're gonna do today. Scissors. See if I can carefully do this and not cut anything. Initial incision. Let's tear it. There we go. I already forgot the things that I bought because I totally forgot that I also got a belt and a top. So this is the Starlight belt. It's a one size fits all kind of deal. Smells new. Yeah. I just like that it's super thick and it's got all this metal components to it. I like metal. I used to wear a lot of metal as a teenager. Back in the old days when I was a wee little kid. This is the Elisa top. It's got like a choker type thing that's built into the top, and it's a singlet, like a tank top. Killstar usually has like some sort of sayings and stuff on their the tags. See here, the Killstar tag on the inside, and on the back it says, "Stop looking for happiness in the same place you lost it." I just like this top because of, well, mainly its like choker component, and the fact that it's black and it's sleeveless, which works great in the humidity here. Just drop the packaging. So yeah, I think it's cute. I think all the stuff that I bought was cute, so I'm just gonna repeat that numerous times to start this video. If it wasn't cute, I wouldn't have bought it. They sent the, not leggings, the stockings and the pair of long socks, knee-high socks, wrapped up in bubble wrap. I don't know why. Oh, probably because like they didn't want the edges of the boxes maybe tearing into the other packaging. So I got a pair of the Epic stockings and the Poison Path tights. So these are the, I call them the stockings and the long socks. That's what they are. You'll notice Killstar has a lot of like pentagram imagery. I actually am not a huge fan of pentagrams or occult imagery, so there are actually a lot of things on the Killstar site that I just will not buy just because of my own personal faith. But at the same time, a lot of the Killstar aesthetics, like just all the black, the straps everywhere, certain cuts of their dresses and their tops, it's really aesthetically pleasing and appealing to me. So it's like I'll be scrolling through their catalog and be like, oh, that's a really cute dress. Let's look at it from all angles. There is a pentagram at the back of it. I can't buy that. Or I'm not going to buy it. And that immediately like turns me off the dress. And usually it wouldn't be a print. Like usually it'd be how the straps fall. I mean, there's only so many ways you can, if you're gonna have like a dress or a top with so many different strapping going across the shoulder and collarbone section. There really is only so many variations you can do if you want it to just run continuously and not like join together, have like a sewed bit here and join together, have a sewed bit here, and possibly compromise the integrity of the strapping. Because well, I find, I don't know about you guys, I find that like when like certain cage designs are joined like that instead of just running straight through, that eventually over time starts, I guess because from the pressure of you putting it on and off all the time, the seams come undone. I don't particularly enjoy that. Like I feel that that's a compromised design, unless of course like it's the straps lie over each other and then go all the way through, and then that kind of holds up, that's fine. But the ones just like end like that, if you know what I mean. I don't know if I'm explaining this pretty well. So yeah, if you want to like maintain the integrity of that and have this straps just run all the way through, there's only really so many combinations you can do, and that usually ends up looking like inverted pentagrams. So if you're someone who's really particular about things like that, from the brand itself it says Killstar Occult Luxury. So you should know what you're getting into when you go shopping on that site and just browsing the catalog. I mean, I knew what I was getting into and what majority of the things would have been like. So the two bras or bralettes that I got was the Sleigh Day bra and the Black Sea bralette. So like this one's Black Sea because it's got like fish scales, mermaid scales on it. See the connection there? I don't know why this is called the Sleigh Day bra, but the faux leather makes me think of Slayers, as in Buffy the Vampire Slayer. I don't know why, and so that's what I've associated it to in my head. They're both really strappy, like cage bras. The Sleigh Day bra has a neck section that you can just wear straight like that, or if you cross it, it'll become like so strappy like that. And the Black Sea bralette has like two straps on the shoulders and one that goes up the middle around the neck. So it's even more cage-like than the Sleigh Day bra. Ooh, I wonder if there are sayings on this one. This one says, Killstar, cause you're a badass, duh. Hashtag duh. So those are the two bralettes. I also got the Deep Six bikini, which is like another cage design type bikini. This is supposed to be limited edition, but I've seen it on their website for a while, so I don't know what limited edition means. Maybe until it sells out, or you can only get it on their website. I don't know. The bottoms are pretty standard bikini bottoms, and what drew me to this particular bikini was the front, the cage design, which almost borders on being a pentagram, but isn't. But you see what I mean about like cage or strappy designs. There's only so much you can do if you wanted to run straight and not just like go here and go that way. You know, this one goes all the way through to the other, not really shoulder straps, but to the other sides of the bikini. And last but certainly not least, I got the Assassin's Hooded Cardigan, which is basically what took up majority of the space in that package because it's ridiculously oversized and huge, and the material is so soft. You guys, I wish you could feel this. Well, no, this is mine, you can't touch it, but it is so soft. I love it already. It comes with a ridiculously oversized hood and like extra flappy, almost scarf-like material attached to the front. That is not the sleeves. Sleeves are nice and long with, again, metal detailing, and they are thumbholes. Also one of my favorite things. So the cardigan comes with two pockets. It's pretty simple in the fact that there's not a lot of detailing going on. It's just got little additional things that I think make the cardigan stand out from other normal cardigans, like these extra scarf like material. I say scarf, but it's made of the same material that the cardigan is. It just feels like it could be wrapped around your neck like a scarf, because it kind of comes out from that hood section. When you wear it, you basically look like an assassin. It's flapping behind you in the wind as you march down to go kill someone. So yeah, that's my haul. Just went through it quickly with you guys. I am not sponsored. Every time I do an unboxing, an unpackaging video, I've paid for all that stuff myself, because I am not famous enough to have sponsors. Although, if I were to have sponsors, Killstar would definitely be one of the ones I would want to have, because I actually wear their stuff. Like if I were to do a review or to talk about a certain brand, it's usually brands that I'm trying out myself or that I really love myself, and that's why I can talk about it and share it with you guys, because I don't feel like it's, I don't know, ethical to talk about a brand that you're not using yourself, that you've not at some point paid for yourself. Yeah, so that's just my viewpoint on it. So yeah, I paid for all that myself. Probably shouldn't have spent that much money on it, but at the time I had just gotten paid, so you know, you think it's a great idea to spend your paycheck. Killstar actually does a lot of sales throughout the year. Like I think right now they have a 30% sale going on, like on top of their normal clearance. So their clearance section has an additional 30% off all the items in there. So yeah, that's it for this week's unboxing video. Hopefully my plans for the looks work out, and at the end of this video you'll have a montage of at least a couple combinations of the things that I bought. I just want to take this time to thank all my new subscribers and people who've left comments. A lot of you are like personal friends in real life, and you guys give me life when you post your comments. Like when I read your comments, it gives me life. You guys are hilarious. You guys spark joy for me, which is why I do this. Like I'm not paid to do this. I am not a professional YouTuber. This is not my full-time job, so I really appreciate you guys subscribing, liking, and leaving comments, because it makes me feel like my videos are appreciated. So thank you for all that. You guys are awesome. So until next time, wash your hands, take extra vitamins, and don't forget to keep on embracing your inner weirdo. Bye!